Hello, I'm Dr. Sravani, periodontist by profession. I belong to Telangana state. I run my practice at Kandukur X Road. I attended Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja's online workshop of practice management in 2022. This workshop really helped me a lot before opening my own clinic. I understood concepts like first consultation with the patient, how important it is, and the role of communication, and how to increase the footfall of the patient by concentrating on both internal and external marketing, and the importance of maintaining this customized informed consent, mm, and all the documents required to set up a clinic, and how to charge each procedure that we perform in the clinic, and how to make it profitable, and concentrating on the skill set, and basic knowledge on this procuring high-end instruments, and how it's going to help our practice, and profitability and costing concepts, and so many things. The list never ends. And the best thing of the workshop is that we get more than what we promised, and this lasted for a week long, and every session lasted for the 2 to 3 hours, and more than that sometimes, and we all get answers for all of our questions, and this workshop is not just listening and going away. We used to get homework for the each day, and once we do that homework we used to get the rewards, and the best thing is that we get a one-to-one personal interaction with the sir once we finish all the homework sir gives in the workshop, though I missed it. And I recommend this workshop for all the practicing dentists, and those who are about to practice, and those who are already practicing dentistry, because such things we are not going to listen anywhere, neither in our colleges nor with the seniors. This workshop really helped me to improvise my practice. Thank you.